Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to cut out images on iPhone iOS 16. First of all, open up the gallery in your phone. Once you get into the gallery, open the image which has any subject in it. Then tap and hold on the subject and you can drag it onto any app you want. You can also drag it in Notes and drop it in a new note. Then as you can see, the subject of your image is here. The other way to cut out the image is to go back to the same photo and tap and hold on its subject. Click to copy it from here and paste it into your notes or anywhere you want to send it. Now go back to the gallery and tap on another photo to cut out the subject. Then click to share it directly from here to any of the following apps. Then click to share it with Notes. You can also give it a name, then click to save it in your notes. After that, you can see the shared image in your notes. Apart from your gallery photos, you can get clear objects from any photo. So open up the web browser and search anything in here like dogs or cats. Go into Images and open up a random image from here. Then click on the camera icon of the image and tap to copy subject from the image. And you can paste it back in your notes, where you already pasted your other cutouts. Then open up another photo from the web browser and click to save it in the gallery. Now go into the gallery and tap and hold the photo's subject, and click to share it with other social apps. You can share it with your friends on WhatsApp. To send a cutout to friends, take a photo and make a cutout of it, then click to open it. Now open up WhatsApp and tap to paste it in your friend's chat. Then the cutout will be sent as a sticker. You can make another one and send it to your friends. Go back to Notes and let's see if we can share all of the cutouts from Notes to any other app. So click on the share icon from Notes and tap to share it with WhatsApp. And as you can see, you can't share the whole thing, but you can share them individually as stickers. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.